Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, in our previous lecture we have started order of operations. Means if the multiple of operations are given in a single question, how we can solve that? First of all, we have to do division. First of all, we have to do division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. In the previous lecture, we have only done addition and subtraction, but in question number 2 and 3, we have multiple of operations in the single question. Question number 2, we have to start today. Of page number 36. A part of this question is (15 plus 9 multiplied by 3). Now, first of all, there is addition and then multiplication. But according to our math rule, we have to do multiplication first. So, in this question, we have to multiply first 9 and 3. So, addition will be as it is. 5 plus 9 to 3 is 27, which is 27 plus 5 is 32. This is A part of question number 2. Page number 36. B part is 43 minus 27 divided by 3. In this question, first operation is subtraction and second operation is division. So according to the mathematics, first of all we have to do division according to the math rule. 43 as it is, minus 9 as it is. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Now we have to subtract 9 from 43. Answer is 34. C part of this question is 9 into 8 plus 15. 9 8 is 72 plus 15. 72 plus 15 is 87. D part is 54 divided by 6 minus 5. So, first of all, division. 54 divided by 6, answer is 9 minus 5. 9 minus 4, 5, answer is 4. E part is 5 multiplied by 6 minus 14. 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 14, answer is 16. F part is 56 minus 3 multiplied by 7. 56 as it is because we have to do multiplication first. 3 7s are 21. Now 56 minus 21, answer is 35. G part of this question is 23 plus 63 divided by 7. Addition as it is because the division is first. 63 divided by 7, answer is 9. Now 23 plus 9, answer is 32. H part is 89 minus 88 divided by 11. 89 as it is because we have to do division first. 88 divided by 11, answer is 8. 89 minus 8 is 81. Last part of this question is I part, which is 12 minus 15 divided by 3 plus 9. In this question, there are three operations. First one is subtraction, then division, then addition. According to maths and previous rule, we have to do division first. 12 as it is, minus as it is. 15 divided by 3, answer is 5 plus 9. Now we have to do addition. 12 as it is, 5 plus 9, answer is 14. 12 minus 14, answer is 2, but negative sign is of 14, greater value, so answer is negative. Question number 3, page number 37. A part, 15 plus 8 multiply by 5 minus 21. First of all, multiplication. 15 plus 40 minus 21. Now addition. 15 plus 40, 55 minus 21. 55 minus 21 is 34. B part is 54 minus 9 divided by 9 plus 32 minus 17. Division. 54 divided by 9, 6 plus 32 minus 17. 32 plus 6, 38 minus 17. 38 minus 17, answer is 21. C part is 42 minus 3 multiplied by 5 plus 7. Forty-two minus 3 5 are 15 plus 7. Addition. 42 minus 15 plus 7, 22. 42 minus 22, answer is 20. Sixteen plus 81 divided by 9 plus 36. Division. 16 plus 81 divided by 9, answer is 9 plus 36. 16 plus 9, 25 plus 36. 36 plus 25, answer is 61. E part is 87 minus 55 plus 6 multiplied by 8. 87 minus 55 plus 48. Now we have to separate first positive values. 87 plus 48 minus 55. 87 plus 48, answer is 135 minus 55. 135 minus 55, answer is 80. F part is 6 multiplied by 7 minus 32 plus 74. 6 7 is 42 minus 32 plus 74. Now separating positive values. 42 plus 74 minus 32. 42 plus 74 is 116 minus 32. 116 minus 32, answer is 84. G part is 18 divided by 6 plus 4 multiplied by 7. First of all, division. 18 divided by 6, answer is 3 plus 4 multiplied by 7. Now multiplication. 3 plus 7 4 are 28. 3 plus 28, answer is 31. H part is 9 multiplied by 7 plus minus 75 divided by 5. Division. 9 multiplied by 7 minus 75 divided by 5, answer is 15. Multiplication. 9 7 are 63 minus 15. 63 minus 15, answer is 48. Last part of this question is 120 divided by 10 plus 17 multiplied by 2. Division. 120 divided by 10, answer is 12 plus 17 multiplied by 2. Now multiplication. 12 plus 34. 34 plus 10, 12, answer is 46. Students, also note down your diary. We have to solve question number 2 on page number 36 and page number 37, question number 3 on your NEET topics.